NEET exams, NEET petitions that the Supreme Court is currently looking into. We hear, and we were in fact expecting the Supreme Court to give out its verdict any time now, but now news coming in that they have postponed the hearing to 18th July. Supreme Court only will hear the NEET petitions on 18th July next. The top court will not be taking up NEET hearing today. So a little longer wait there for those really expecting a verdict from the Supreme Court on NEET re-exams. Well, I'm going to cut to Shrishti Ojha to give us the reason for the delay here. Shrishti, what happened?
Well, Nabila, as you know, we were expecting the Supreme Court to hear the matter in detail today, but a bench led by the Chief Justice of India decided to adjourn the matter. There was also some discussion as to when should the next date be. Initially, the court was inclined to hear it tomorrow. But the reason, from what my colleague Kanu Sharda has sent us updates from inside the court, is that as we know, the affidavits that were to be filed by Centre and NTA were filed late last night. So therefore, the court will take some time in perusing those. Also, the affidavits have not been supplied to all the parties. So this is more of a technical administrative reason as to why the matter has been adjourned for now a week. A week later, the Supreme Court will hear these matters again. Yesterday, earlier the court had directed Centre, NTA and CBI to file their respective affidavits by 5 p.m. yesterday. However, Centre and NTA had filed their affidavits a little later at night. They also acknowledged the delay and apologized for the delay in their respective affidavits because they couldn't file the affidavit on time. And from what we'd also earlier reported, the CBI, from our sources we've learned, has also filed its status report in a sealed cover. The same has also been handed over to the court today during the hearing. CBI in its status report, as per our sources, has said that there was a paper leak that did happen. However, the same was localized, was limited to few students, was limited to a particular center. Therefore, the impact was not large. They've also countered the allegations that were made by the petitioners with regard to the leaked paper having been circulated online on social media platforms. The CBI has in its report said that no such involvement of social media has been found by the probe agencies. There was no involvement of social media. No such leaked paper was circulated online. Other than that, we've seen both Centre and NTA not support the idea of a fresh examination, considering there are 23 lakh students who are involved. Centre has very clearly in its affidavit before the top court said that 23 lakh students should not be burdened with a retest only based on unsubstantiated claims. They've also put forth a data analytics report by IIT Madras, stating that even the report clearly said that no mass malpractices have been found in this entire issue. So we were expecting the top court to today take into consideration all the affidavits that have been filed and also pose questions to not just the probe agencies but also both the central government and the national testing agencies. That for now has been delayed because the court will take some time in perusing the affidavits and the status report. As of now, the hearing has been adjourned for a week. So all the students who had their eyes on the top court today will have to wait for at least another week to see what is it that the Supreme Court will exactly have to say in this matter. What's also important here to point out is that Centre in its affidavit has said that they will be going ahead with the NEET UG counselling from the third week of July. So that doesn't leave much time for the Supreme Court to interfere and pass any order. So 1 week is what we have as of now. The students will have to wait, the petitioners will have to wait. All of us will actually have to wait to see what exactly is it that the Supreme Court will decide next week on 18th July. Back to you.
We'll have no choice but to wait. Students, of course, are anxious, waiting for a verdict from the Supreme Court. Until then, things are going to be left hanging in balance. But, well, patience is what we have to endure at this point. Thanks very much, Shrishti, for joining us.